Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rizka Dwi Octavia Kedeva. Today is a hot day, so I decided to make a refreshing drink. What is it? Let's do it. So today I'm going to make a chocolate frappe. It's very easy to make, so you guys have to make it too. The materials and tools I use are ice cubes, water, sweetened condensed milk. Here I use instant sweetened condensed milk, and the last one is instant chocolate drink. For the tools are blender, scissors, spoon, and glass. So easy, right? Let's follow the step. So first, put the ice cubes into the blender. It's up to you how many ice cubes you will put in. Next, open the instant chocolate drink into a blender with ice cubes. Do the same thing with sweetened condensed milk. Here I don't use sugar because it's already sweet enough using sweetened condensed milk. And pour enough water. Turn on the blender and wait until the ice and other ingredients are mixed. Finally, add the finished chocolate frappe into the glass. And a refreshing drink on a hot day is ready. It's very easy to mix and it's definitely delicious. It is very delicious in a situation like today. Hopefully useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.